Hi guys, in this video we're going to go over how to conduct an attribute query in ArcGIS Pro. So we are going to look at the volcanoes layer and we are going to select all the volcanoes that have an explosivity index of 5 or greater. So here's my volcanoes layer and I'm going to go up to the Select by Attributes button, which is on the Map tab. And I want to select from the layer Volcanoes. And I'm going to make a new selection. And this is where I create an SQL statement. So we are going to click on the Add Clause button, and this gives us a wizard which builds an SQL statement. So in this case, we want the maximum volcanic explosivity index, or VEI, to be greater than or equal to, and then we can pull down the value here and say 5. And then we just click on Add, and this is one of the queries. We can build multiple queries or a multi-part query if we want to, but in this case that's all I want to look at. So I just click the Run button. I get my green checkbox that tells me that the query was successfully made. And now if I zoom out and adjust my map, I'm going to turn off the earthquake so I can see these better. I'm going to turn off the plates as well. And I can see these blue triangles are the volcanoes that have a volcanic explosivity index that is 5 or greater. Now I can view this in the tabular form by right-clicking on the volcanoes layer and going to the attribute table. And if I look down here at the bottom, I can see that 23 volcanoes have been selected in my query. So there are 23 volcanoes that meet that query criteria. If I click on the Show Selected Records, then I only view those selected records. Okay, happy trails.